Today, I'm so excited to have the CEO of Reliability Center Inc. on the show, Bob Latino. Bob is an internationally recognized author, trainer, software developer, lecturer, and practitioner of best practices in the field of reliability engineering, and more specifically, root cause analysis and investigation management. You've got tons of experience, Bob, and I'm so excited to chat with you today. I know that you've been working on, root cause analysis, failure modes effects analysis with your clients around the world for over 35 years. I know that you've taught over 10,000 students in the root cause PROACT methodology. I'm super excited. Welcome to our show, Bob.
Well, I really appreciate you having me, and I hope I live up to all that stuff you just said.
Of course you will, and a whole lot more, Bob. I know you pretty well. We've been following each other for quite some time, but, I would love for you to give a quick background behind yourself and your story to all of our listeners today.
All right. It goes back quite a ways. We were established in 1972 as a research and development group of a company called Allied Chemical at the time, which was a global chemical company, which more commonly known as Honeywell today through acquisitions. And what we were founded on is the basis of equipment, process, and human reliability, and taking the principles from aviation and moving them into a manufacturing plant. So I think just thinking about that was 1972. And you look at people trying to get reliability started today, and it's a challenge. But this was a functional, full department, roles and responsibilities, set up reliability departments at about 300 plants around the world at that time. Wow. So that was where the R&D was chartered against. And in 1985, the founder and director of that group decided to retire, and he purchased his group out of the corporation. Mm-hmm. Now, it's a huge coincidence that fellow's name was Charles Latino, which will answer your next question about how did I get into reliability and maintenance. So my father is the one who directed and founded that group, and he purchased it, and then the intellectual property conveyed, and we were able to take those principles and apply them to any industry that we wanted to.
Bob, can you share with our listeners all the different ways that they can connect with you and follow you on your journey?
Well, I'm nowhere near connected as you young folk, but I am pretty heavily involved on the LinkedIn forums. I do write a lot on there. From our standpoint of you're early in the game with reliability when you've got the domain of reliability.com.
Well, that must be a good domain to have.